What's up guys, in this video I will be showing you how to tie one of the most widely used flies, the San Juan worm. Many people love them and they desperately hate them, but one thing is certain, this fly will produce fish. Okay, for the materials you'll need a size 6 scud hook, black 400 denier thread, 1/8 inch pink tungsten bead heads, a pack of San Juan worms, and a UV light with thin UV resin. I will leave a link to each of these materials in the description below. With that out of the way, grab out a bead head, put it on the hook, and firmly clasp the hook down into the vise. Then grab out your bobbin with the black thread and wrap from just behind the bead head to just behind the bend of the hook just above the barb and snip off the excess thread. Then grab out the pack of squirmy worms and place one on the back at the end of the wraps with a little over a hook shank hanging off. Wrap it in with a few tight boy wraps and bring the thread to just behind the bead head. Then wrap the squirmy worm in the opposite direction of the thread to just behind the bead head. Wrap that sucker in a few times, whip finish, cut the squirmy worm to the same length as the back, put a dot of resin on the collar and hit it with the UV light for a couple of seconds. And you're done. That simple. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big old like down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this when they come out, and shoot me a comment to let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and go out and catch a freaking pig. Peace.